Craving restaurant-quality pizza without leaving your home? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best indoor pizza ovens on Amazon that can completely upgrade your homemade pizza game. From fast heating to perfect crust results, I'll break down what makes each oven stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick: Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Toaster Oven is a powerhouse for anyone who wants versatility and speed in their kitchen. It heats up quickly, cooks evenly, and has enough space to handle everything from a 12-pound turkey to a full tray of cookies. The air fry function delivers crispy results without excess oil, and the smart settings make switching between bake, toast, pizza, and reheat extremely convenient. One drawback is that it's a bit bulky, so it may take up significant counter space. Still, for performance and multifunction cooking, it's a reliable upgrade that can replace several appliances in one. Number 2. My second best pick: Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Stone Oven. The Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch wood-fire pizza stone oven delivers an authentic wood-fire pizza experience in a compact, portable design. It heats up impressively fast, reaching around 887 degrees F, so you can cook crisp, restaurant-style pizzas in minutes. The stainless steel build feels sturdy and handles outdoor use well, making it great for gatherings, camping, or backyard pizza nights. A major plus is how easy it is to transport and set up. The heat output is also strong enough for more than just pizza, like flatbreads or roasted veggies. However, there is a learning curve with managing wood pellets and maintaining even heat. Overall, it's a solid, fun, and high-value choice for outdoor pizza lovers. Number 3. My third best pick: Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. The Presto 03434 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven 12-inch is a clever compact appliance for homemade pizzas. Its rotating non-stick tray ensures even baking on both sides without burning, and the top and bottom heating elements deliver golden, crispy crusts. Cleanup's a breeze thanks to the removable tray, and the compact form fits easily on most kitchen counters. I also like that it's relatively fast. You can bake a pizza in under 10 minutes. On the downside, the 12-inch size limits how big your pizzas can be, and the rotating mechanism makes some noise while running. Still, for convenience and consistent results, it's a smart buy. Number 4. My fourth best pick: Black & Decker 4-Slice Convection Oven. The Black & Decker 4-Slice Convect TO1313 SB is a surprising multitasker for a countertop appliance. Its curved interior makes it possible to cook a 9-inch pizza or multiple slices evenly, and the convection fan circulates heat well for consistent results. I like the adjustable temperature dial from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can bake, broil, or toast depending on what you're making. Cleanup's easy thanks to the removable crumb tray, and it doesn't take up much counter space. The downside? The oven is relatively small. It's not ideal for large or thick pizzas, but for compact kitchens or quick snacks, it's a solid, versatile pick. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick: Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker. The Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker, 1440 watts, is a fantastic pick for homemade personal-size pizzas. It heats up quickly with its powerful 1440-watt element and delivers crispy, golden crusts thanks to the built-in stone surface. The compact fold-down design makes it easy to store or pull out for impromptu pizza nights. I also like that it comes with a removable non-stick baking plate. Cleanup is pretty simple. On the downside, the pizza surface is fairly small, about 12 inches, so it's not ideal for large or thick pizzas, but for quick, delicious individual pizzas, it's a real winner. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite indoor pizza ovens? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.